Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about The Lincoln Lawyer Season 3. So let's start the video now. Netflix's hit series, The Lincoln Lawyer, will be returning for a Season 3 in the future. Starring Manuel Garcia Rulfo and Becky Newton, The Lincoln Lawyer follows the character of Mickey Haller, an interesting man who runs his law practice out of the back of his Lincoln automobile. When is The Lincoln Lawyer Season 3 releasing? As shared by Variety, Netflix officially renewed The Lincoln Lawyer for Season 3 in August. As with many other projects, Season 3 could not be worked on due to the Writers Guild of America, WGA, and Screen Actors Guild, SAG-AFTRA, strikes going on at that time. That being said, since the strikes are now over, Deadline revealed that Season 3 is set to begin production in January 2024. It is important to note that Season 1 of The Lincoln Lawyer began filming on March 30, 2021, and ended on August 3, 2021, around 5 months. That season then premiered on Netflix on May 13, 2022. Netflix took a similar route with Season 2 of the show. It started filming on October 31, 2022, and ended in March 2023, also around 5 months, before being added to the streaming service on July 6, 2023. Assuming filming for Season 3 will also last 5 months, it will be finished sometime around June 2024. It can then be inferred that the upcoming installment could be released as early as September/October 2024. Who's cast in The Lincoln Lawyer Season 3? Fans can expect a lot of the main cast to return for Season 3 of The Lincoln Lawyer, but Netflix recently confirmed who will show up in the upcoming episodes. As with Seasons 1 and 2, Manuel Garcia Rulfo will be leading Season 3. Most of the main characters will still have a role in the show, but since the legal drama takes so much inspiration from Michael Connelly's book series of the same name, it can be assumed that others may not have roles as extensive as in previous seasons. Alongside Garcia Rulfo, Netflix confirmed that actors such as Becky Newton and Jazrae Cole will be coming back as well. Well, this is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.